it's really something. Okay, this is coming out of a tunnel.
Yep, that was the short one compared to the other one.
There's the train.
Huddle up with this guy.
All right.
And get this too.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's... Oh, is that the track down there? I bet it is, huh? One down there? I don't know. Could be the road.
I think the train went that way. From up there. Oh my gosh, look at that dot there.
Oh, that's stone?
Yeah.
Oh, that is something, isn't it?
Yep.
That stone in the end there is just
Whoa.
so much of it. Hanging onto this camera with both one hand, but as many fingers as I can.
Oh, there's the train track down there. See, up from up there, I can see another train in front of us.
Oh, okay.
Well,
look at this. Yeah, you're getting the whole experience out here.
You miss one half of your life.
Yeah. When they said you've got to take this train trip, they should have said, and you've got to go outside of the train to get the experience. Look at that sheer rock, flat rock, going up that steep mountain, you know, where all the trees are in the valley. Look up here. See that cement up there? Or whatever? Yeah, it kind of went away in a hurry. Help. 1 mile yard limit. I don't know what that is.
Here's more of it.
Oh, there's a bear. There's a bear right there.
Yes.
Baby bear. Yeah. We have to become our good friends, okay?
Oh, yes.
All right.
Don't forget to tag me in your
do I?
Facebook.
What's that? Oh, not supposed to do that.
Not supposed to.
I don't think so. Oh. Oh, hear that rushing water? Watch out for the rock here. Look at that. They had to build this thing up, I betcha, huh? Here's a bridge. Ooh, look. River down here, guys. Right here.
Oh, somebody's walking down.
Oh. To the glacier or something.
They're hikers.
Hacker expedition.
Hikers, they're nuts. Or maybe
maybe in Minnesota, huh?
No, they don't have anything.
Mountains?
They don't have mountains.
Oh yes, all lakes, huh?
Not compared to this. They got lakes, but
during winter time, the weather is extreme.
yeah. You know, it's kind of like Texas. You know, it's going to be colder at one at the top. You know, the northern part, and warmer down south, down farther south.
Closer to Canada also.
Right.
Yeah, we had to sit down with everybody.
Hello.
You pick it up out of my app. Yeah, out of my app.
Yeah, that's a new one, isn't it?
Yes.
The largest
yes.
one.
I think 2000.
Isn't that amazing? Amazing how smooth that rock looks like it is.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, that's their largest. I think that's their largest ship.
Is that the one that's the largest one out there now, though?
I don't know. I think I would say the QE2, the Queen Mary.
No, there's another one that came out the last couple of years.
That's swept.
Going down again. Now this is a train trip, huh? Pretty nice. All right, more water coming down.
It's like sensory overload.
Huh?
It's like sensory overload. It's like everything.
Oh yes.
So much to take in.
Yeah, you just like this hunk of rock here.
Exactly.
You know, 'cause you would think somebody had to go up there and cut that,
Right, chisel it out.
and they couldn't do it because it would be a lifetime work.
Right.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, by being on this side of the river.
Yeah, and you're on this.
Like I said, I don't mind being wrong.
Well, but yeah, no, you don't mind being. It's
I was just going by the lady on the bus.